So your girl's looking a little scurry right now because she don't got no makeup on, other than me saying I don't have no makeup on and saying other than foundation on my forehead, my eyebrows, and I carved them out. But other than that, I don't got nothing on. So I feel like I don't even have to tell you this step, but I'm going in with the P. Louise in the shade Rumor 01. I have two, Rumor 0.5 and then Rumor 01. I use both, so yeah, they're both really good though, like go get it. But anyways, you know, just putting it on my hand or whatever, and grabbing my cute little brush, tap tap tap, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my eyelids. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the Blue Monday, which is this super bright blue right there. Oops, I just got it on my finger. But I'm going with that little packing brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and shape the cut crease because that's what we're doing today. Alright, so I know I look a little weird right now, but trust the process. I'm going in with Flourishing, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right on top and blend that out. Alright, so I put more base on my hand, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and then I'm going to show you guys what I did on this side over here, and it's so cute. So I'm very excited. I will be right back with my crease cut. So now I'm going to do exactly what I did to the other eye, which is in the inner corner part. I went in with this baby blue color right here, I'm Cold. And then at the end, I went in with Entitled, and it's like a teal shimmery. It's super cute. I will be right back. So now I'm grabbing my NYX glitter primer and this flat shader brush from Kylie Cosmetics. She doesn't have them anymore, but any flat shader brush will do. I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter primer to the outside of the cut crease, then I'm going to apply Entitled. Go ahead and grab a makeup remover wipe. I just put my finger in it like this, and you're gonna go ahead and take the eyeshadow off from the bottom so you can create a very sharp line. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it to this eye, then I'll do my foundation, and I'll be right back for the lower lash line and the lashes. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my liquid Frost. And I like to put a little drop on the point right there. I don't know if you can see, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my cheekbones. I know I look funny right now. I'm baking. Don't make fun of me. I mean, you can, but like, still. Anyways, let me show you how I like to apply the liquid Frost, and you're gonna see how amazing it is. I'm literally obsessed with that highlighter. It's so pretty, so pretty. But now I'm grabbing my little brush and going in with Blue Monday and applying that to the lower lash line. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and pack on Blue Monday super close to the lash line to get a cute little ombre effect. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these eyelashes. They're by Diamond Marie Lashes in the style Shoddy, and they are so pretty. I can't wait to put them on. I'm gonna apply the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Abused. It's like a navy color, and I think it'll look really nice with this look. But you guys can go ahead and just apply any lipstick, and it'll still look cute. So you made it to the very end of the video, so that means that you obviously like this cute little look or whatever. But go ahead and leave it, and I can't even talk. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye! I'm honestly so bad at ending my videos. And I'm so zoomed in right now, but whatever.